Hi, and welcome to the setup video for the Breakout EDU game called Save the Garden. This game is designed to introduce students to the novel Seed Folks by Paul Fleischman by introducing them to relevant literary elements, the structure of the novel, the idea of a community garden, and an awareness of cultural traditions tied to ethnicity. It also serves to engage students in learning about Kim, the main character in the first chapter. This game utilizes one breakout box with a directional lock, key lock, 4-digit lock, 4-letter lock, and 5-letter lock. It also utilizes the 3-digit lockbox. The scenario. Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio, where Sam has been growing and selling pumpkins from a community garden to help disadvantaged youth. Everyone loves to purchase Sam's pumpkins for fall holidays, food, and decorating. However, the city council has decided that Sam's pumpkin popularity is hurting the neighborhood grocery stores. So the council members have locked the garden gate until Sam convinces them that the garden is not a business but a charitable act. In order to help Sam, you must work together to solve all the clues. By solving all the clues, you will prove to the city council that the garden is a community project that brings people together. If so, you will unlock all the locks and open the garden for good. For this breakout, students are divided into 6 groups. Each group is responsible for solving one clue that unlocks a lock. This grouping works well up to 6 students per 6 groups for a total maximum number of students, 36. Step 1. Print the Seed Folks Breakout Congratulations sign and place it in the breakout box with chosen treat. Also print the generic hint cards, 1 per group, need 6 hint cards, and label 6 folders, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5, and Group 6. Step 2 is to set up the Group 1 station. Start by printing the Seed Folks April 1997 calendar. Circle the date April 15th, 1997, and place the calendar inside the folder. Print the Growing Ourselves flyer, labeled Seed Folks Breakout Community Garden flyer, and hang it in the room where students can locate it, but it doesn't stick out. You will also need a QR code reader at Station 1 so they can read the QR code on the flyer, and you'll want to set the 3-digit box to 615 with the flashlight inside. Step 3. Set up Group 2 station. Print Seed Folks Breakout Kim Scavenger Hunt file and place in the Group 2 folder. Students will also need a copy of the novel at this station. Hide the following objects in the room: a spoon, a can of lima beans, a fake rat, and a monthly calendar. Label the items A, spoon, B, on the lima beans, C, on the rat, and D, on the monthly calendar. All items should also have the label "How many of me are in Kim's chapter." If you do not want to hide actual items, you can print the pictures that are in the digital breakout file. Cut these out and hide them around the room. Group 2 is responsible for the 4-digit lock that should be set to 1628 and placed on the hasp on the main box. Step 4. Set up Group 3 station. Print Seed Folks Breakout Kim map and puzzle template. Use the template to make a puzzle out of the picture of the vacant lot. Place the puzzle pieces in an envelope. Label the front of the envelope "Hope the lack of directions isn't too puzzling," making sure to capitalize the word directions as the hint for the type of lock. On the back of the puzzle envelope, write "A new chapter is about to begin," so students will know to go to the chapter in the novel for help. Place the envelope with puzzle pieces inside of the file folder and place the directional lock on the hasp on the main breakout box. The directional lock should be set to up, right, up, left. Step 5. Set up Group 4 station. Print out the Seed Folks Breakout Literary Elements crossword. Using the invisible ink or marker, mark the following squares. 4 across, box 4, letter P in metaphor. 9 across, last box, letter L in symbol. 6 down, first box, letter A in illusion. 2 across, box 6, the letter N in setting. 8 down, the first box, letter T in theme. Students will need a device or computer with internet access at this station to look up words, since some of these should be unfamiliar to students. Place unmarked crossword puzzle in Group 4 folder. Also in folder, place the following clue in an envelope. Hope these words shed some light on your lock. Put them in an envelope that says do not open until you finish crossword puzzle or else, and tape the envelope. Seal envelope and place in Group 4 folder. Set the lock for the 5 letters to the word plant and place it on the hasp as well. When the students see the clue about shedding some light, hopefully they'll know to get the UV light from the other group that opened the 3-digit box. And we'll notice that letters are highlighted on their crossword puzzle. These letters, unscrambled, spell the word plant. Step 6. Set up Group 5 station. Print out Breakout Kim Father Pick, Seed Folks Breakout Kim Family Pick, Seed Folks Breakout Obituary, Seed Folks Breakout Kim Dear Diary, Seed Folks Breakout Ancestor Worship in Vietnam, and Seed Folks Breakout Funeral Worship items, if not using the actual items. Paper clip the obituary, the Dear Diary, and one of the family picks together and place in Group 5 folder. Frame the father's picture somewhere in the room and make it look somewhat like a memorial. Other items that will need to be hidden in the room and marked will be incense, marked with the letter S, a banana marked with the letter P, a plate marked with the letter A, and a flower marked with the letter T. I usually place the flower by the father's pick to give them a good start. When students see the obituary, they generally find the father's picture. When they look behind the picture frame, they find an envelope with a paper inside discussing cultural worship, the custom of ancestor worship in Vietnam. They will notice certain words are in bold: plate, flower, incense, and bananas, which leads them on the scavenger hunt for these items. When they find these items, they get the 4 letters. Unscrambled, the 4 letters will make the word past for the 4-letter lock, which should be set to past, P-A-S-T, and placed on the hasp on the big box. If you don't want to use the actual items, you can print these pages in the digital files, cut out the pictures, and hide them around the room. Step 7 is to set up the final station for Group 6. Print the Seed Folks Breakout Character Chart, Seed Folks Breakout Chart Pictures, and Seed Folks Breakout Community Clue. Cut the pictures apart and place in an envelope that says Open Me Now and put in the Group 6 folder. Place the Seed Folks Breakout Community Clue in another envelope that says Do Not Open Until Character Chart is Complete or Else, and seal the envelope. The station will need a copy of the novel. Place the key lock on the hasp of the main box, and then hide the key in a dictionary or thesaurus next to the word community. Set the timer for 45 minutes and have fun. Good luck with the Seed Folks Save the Garden Breakout.